As a result of delayed motherhood, more and more people are resorting to assisted reproduction techniques in order to fulfill and achieve their personal desire to become parents. Reproduction is not something that depends entirely on a woman's age. Sperm quality also gradually declines over the course of time, but it does not have such a drastic effect. In cases of advanced maternal age, the most advisable option would be to perform in vitro fertilization or IVF and conduct a pre-implantation genetic test known as PGT. This will ensure the transfer of healthy embryos, thus increasing the chances of implantation and leading to a pregnancy. When a woman's reproductive stage has completely concluded and her ovarian reserve has been depleted, the method used in order to achieve a pregnancy will involve the use of donor eggs. This fertility treatment, egg donation, has a high success rate, but it has the disadvantage that the woman has to give up her chance to provide her genetic contribution. Therefore, IVF with egg donation is considered one of the reproductive options that carries a greater emotional burden for patients. Regardless of the situation, if the young woman is fully aware that she wants to postpone motherhood and is not ready to be a mother right now, it might be wise to consider preserving her fertility by vitrifying her eggs for future use. Thus, the eggs are carefully vitrified at low temperature, and they can sustain their quality for prolonged durations without being negatively impacted. Therefore, when the woman feels fully prepared to become a mother, the eggs she preserved at the time will be safely thawed. Subsequently, in vitro fertilization will be performed on these eggs to attempt to achieve pregnancy.